My name's Christopher Bulone. I'm a trial attorney at the Dordick Law Corporation. This was one of the most profoundly tragic cases I've ever been a part of. This one in particular was so difficult because it's a 15-year-old girl coming home from church with her family in a van. A driver ran a stop sign, T-boned the van, and in a moment she became paralyzed forever from the waist down. Most lawyers probably would have said that there was nothing that could be done for this very tragically injured girl and devastated family. All we could do is fight for as much justice as we could so that she would have the 24-hour care that she would need for the rest of her life. Our biggest problem in the case was that the defendant who ran the stop sign only had a $100,000 policy. Every other law firm in the country might have said there was nothing more that could be done. But we found something that we thought a jury could hang their hat on. No matter how inspired you are, there's only so much our words can do, and that's where MotionLit came in. MotionLit was there at the drop of a hat. They got a film crew together, came to the house, met the family. They were incredibly sensitive. They were incredibly thorough. They made the family feel comfortable. There's people with good hearts who know how to interact with families who are suffering, who know what the important moments are to capture. They know how to put it into a film that's going to communicate exactly what needs to be communicated. And I think the day in the life video totally changed the complexion of the case, because we were able to show the insurance company what we were going to show the jury. And what we were going to show them is an inside, raw, real-life look at what life had become for our client. Anybody who saw that video was going to want to help. As soon as our opposition saw the day in the life video, they realized that a jury could never see it. That's kind of what you want from a day in the life video. You want to communicate as much reality to them as possible. MotionLit's day in the life video was so insightful and was so powerful and was so deeply emotional and a window into our client's life that they knew the jury was going to do whatever they could for our client. And that's how we were able to get significant multi-seven-figure justice. Anybody who's really serious about getting maximum justice for people who really deserve it, talk to MotionLit. Nobody really understands the depth of the suffering, and nobody really understands just how profoundly that life has changed with words alone. You need a day in the life video. And if you need a day in the life video, I think you need MotionLit.